Hello and welcome. It seems that this is Robotron. I must have seen this at some point. I must have. Okay, there's some people with high scores. F1. Start, players, level, joysticks. Okay, I'll start. I have no idea what I'm doing. Where am I? I'm dead. Okay, I'm in the wrong port. I'm in the wrong port. Alright, I'm moving. Ooh, what's that? Oh, I'm dead. Well, that was fast. That was fast. Let's try that again now that I have the joystick in the right port. Oh, it's auto-firing for me. Oh, yeah. Why? Why? Oh, okay, I guess once I change the direction that I'm traveling. Why am I just not good at these things? All right. So I guess I'm dead. Game over. Let's get ready. How? D. Da. Oh, I'm really not good at this. I'll give it another try. All right, so ooh, I didn't die. Okay. Why can't I shoot in the direction that I would like to shoot? I want to shoot up. It wouldn't shoot up. Why is it shooting that way? Oh, am I on to another level? I guess I am. I don't know what these things are. Oh, what are these blue things? I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm dead. Da. How many levels are in this game? Well, let's try level 9. Oh my word. And I got hit by something. Oh, I'm not good at this. Oh, surrounded. Keep firing. Oh, I don't want to shoot him. Maybe I get good things for that. Ah! Well, Robotron. They sure like to use their sprites at the beginning there. Alright. I'm gonna give it one more go. Level 9. Go big or go home. Oh no, 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 not that thing. I gotta shoot, I gotta shoot. I gotta stay away from these guys. I gotta keep shooting. I gotta run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Ah, and they shot me. Ah, why? You know what? I have this auto fire thing in, and I'm not sure if it's helping. All right, I'm going to take this blaster thing out. Maybe it is messing up my ability to shoot the way I would like. Do I believe that? Maybe. Maybe. Oh, I guess that was not a thing I should try and pick up. Okay, it does seem that the firing is going a little better. And going in the direction that I would like it to go as I run away and die. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Run. Run. Turn and fire. Fire. Ah! Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that went well. Oh, yeah. We're just ripping it up. Well, I think that's enough for now. This is on a disc I found that marked Atari things, and indeed it is Atari things. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. I am Dave, and I am Canadian.